In our company, we are running ads for Jeep dealers. We always having this trademark issue for using Jeep ad copy, and ads were limited to. Since we are running for many dealers, for some accounts it won't be an issue with spending, but in some accounts, campaign doesn't spend so much as per our average to spend per day. So we couldn't be able to spend the entire monthly budget as we expected. Can Google support team be able to resolve this issue? Yeah. So if you can tell them, look, I've got these other accounts where it's fine. The ads are running fine. There's no problems. And why are you restricting or limiting this search term in this account? So you need to get a manual review done. With using trademarks, you will always have this problem. So when I run ads from ourselves, we run Google ads. So Google is a trademark, so it will still be limited by because of the trademark. So we go somewhere else. We go on display. We go on YouTube. This is where we put ourselves and our brand in front of people. So don't just restrict yourself to search campaigns. The other thing which I've just noticed is you are more concerned about spending the budget. Just spend the budget no matter what your return is. So you should be focusing more on the ROI or the ROAS. Set up your goals upfront for your campaigns. What are your goals? Website visitors or leads or inquiries or sales, right? Get those right first. And if you really want to spend the money, Google will happily take your budget. Go on display network, go on YouTube, and you will be able to spend thousands and thousands every day without any problem.